Where's Stewart?
Out.
Who are you?
I'm Dale. He left me in charge.
Really?
Yeah, I don't get it either.
I want to return this Wild West and Witches Ka expansion pack.
Sorry, I don't do returns. They're hard.
Sure. When will Stewart be back?
I don't know. He went out for coffee with a girl.
No, I guess I was wrong.
You okay?
Am I okay? Leonard, I'm on a lifelong trajectory that includes a Nobel Prize in cities named after me. All 4 wisdom teeth fit comfortably in my mouth without need of extraction, and my bowel movements run like a German train schedule. Am I okay?